Welcome to MC Bali channel. First of all, especially if you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Nirmala Trisna and I'm a Balinese woman who have been a professional master of ceremony since 1995. I also have been a TV presenter long time ago for a local TV station here in Bali, a radio DJ back then. I have emceed for various international events, for international corporates, associations, for state events, wedding reception, and I also had the honor to MC an event that was inaugurated by the President of Indonesia. I also co-founded and managed an event company. I have managed shows for around 20 years, so I have very good understanding about event production, like what's happening behind the stage, off the stage, behind the scene, talent management, client interactions, and those experiences have formed myself to be a better master of ceremony. If you have been searching about how to be an MC because you are going to be an MC very soon for the very first time, and now you are ending up watching my video, allow me to give you several important, crucial issues so you can have a good start, be a good MC. First, ask the question to whoever asks you to be an MC. Ask them, what do they expect from you as an MC? Does it match our personality? Can you meet that expectation? Are you expected to only mention the program, invite the speaker next, go down and then make sure the event flows, run well? Or are you expected to introduce the speaker and then somehow giving a little conclusion to their speech? Are you expected to give jokes, to be funny, to be lively for a party? Do they want you to act as a moderator as well, to lead the Q&A session? Second, understand your personality and make sure that fits with the event that you're going to be MC for. It will be helpful if you can ask your special friend, your close friend, or your partner about your unique personality. What makes you you? Because that uniqueness or your personality that is likable will be your special or your niche as an MC. And then you can confidently answer that first question. Can you act as a moderator for that seminar? Can you deliver jokes in the middle of a serious business conference? Can you handle kids for kids' birthday party? Can you act as an anchor for a sweet 16 or sweet 17 birthday party? By understanding your personality, once again, you can create your niche in engaging with the audience. Third, explore the program details. Details about speakers' profile and their topics of presentation, if it is a seminar. Details about the bride and the groom and their love story, their family, if it's a wedding reception. Quantity of award winners and their details, and also the story behind each awards if available, if that's an award dinner. Reference on why that specific conference was held, if that's a conference or a business meeting. Also find out about the program details and how each program flows from one to another. Sometimes there is a surprise element that is not written in the written agenda because maybe the organizing committee want to give a surprise to someone. So make sure you know every story for each program. Do your homework ask a lot of questions, Google something to make sure we can find a certain matching elements or matching stories that can buffer our speech content while being an MC. Last thing, vocal is our key tool as a public speaker, as an MC, beside our personality. So brush up our vocal expression and develop our personality so we can be a better version of ourselves. I have made several videos about vocal expression and also about MC script. Make sure you've watched them. Very last thing. If you are thinking about starting to be an MC or want to be serious in this work, I'd like to suggest you to get into the event network. Know the players, know the industry, the companies, and start to offer your service at no charge. Think about it like a new business and you are giving your samples of product. However, make sure you know which stone you are stepping first to start off your career. Pick the right audience and pick the right clientele. My suggestion is to start small and then build up your confidence, build up your portfolio. It is better to grow organic, and in that way you can also develop yourself by getting a lot of experience. It will shape you to be a better MC through experience. Well, that's all my tips for you who want to start to be an MC. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to write me an email, write me a message, write in the comment section. Whatever way you want to reach me, feel free to do it. I'll do my best to answer your questions as soon as I can. Get connected with me on my Instagram, MC_Bali, and also Nirmala Trisna. Thank you if you have subscribed to my channel and you hit that bell to make sure you get notification. And if you haven't, do it now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.